Tired of your family or friends mooching off your Sam's Club perks? Let's get them their own card. First, head over to samsclub.com and log into your account. Make sure it's the primary account holder's login. Once you're logged in, find the account section. It's usually in the top right corner. Click on it to open your account options. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the membership option and click on it. This takes you to your membership details. On your membership page, scroll down until you find the Add a Member section. It's usually near the middle or bottom of the page. Click on the Add a Member button. This will open a form where you'll enter the new member's information. Now, fill in all the required information for the person you want to add. This usually includes their first name, last name, email address, and date of birth. Make sure the information is accurate. Once you've filled in all the information, review it carefully. Then, click the Submit button. That's it. Sam's Club will usually send an email to the new member with instructions on how to get their membership card. They can also pick it up in Club with a valid ID. Now everyone can enjoy the deals and savings. See you next time.